Imagine you're about to make a big purchase online. You reach for your wallet, only to find your preferred card missing. Panic sets in. But then you remember, you have GrabPay on your phone. Is it a lifesaver, or just another digital payment option? Today, we're diving into that question. Is GrabPay a Visa card? GrabPay is a digital wallet platform, primarily used in Southeast Asia. It's a convenient way to pay for various services like rides, food delivery, and online shopping. But what's its relationship with Visa? The Visa connection. While GrabPay doesn't directly issue Visa cards, there's a crucial link. In many countries, GrabPay partners with Visa to offer Visa-branded cards or virtual cards. This means you can use GrabPay to load funds onto a Visa card, which can then be used anywhere Visa is accepted. So, technically, while GrabPay itself isn't a Visa card, it can be used to access Visa's vast network. Benefits of using GrabPay with Visa. 1. Wide acceptance. Visa is one of the most widely accepted payment methods globally, so having a GrabPay-linked Visa card gives you access to a vast range of merchants. 2. Security. Visa employs robust security measures to protect your transactions, providing you with peace of mind when using GrabPay. 3. Convenience. With a GrabPay-linked Visa card, you can easily make online purchases, pay for bills, or even withdraw cash from ATMs. Things to consider. While the partnership between GrabPay and Visa offers many advantages, there are a few things to keep in mind. 1. Fees. Some GrabPay-linked Visa cards may incur additional fees for certain transactions or currency conversions. 2. Availability. The availability of GrabPay-linked Visa cards may vary depending on your location. So, is GrabPay a Visa card? Not directly. But it can be used to access Visa's network through partner-issued cards or virtual cards. If you're looking for a convenient and secure way to make payments, GrabPay-linked Visa cards can be a great option, especially in regions where GrabPay is widely used. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.